Welcome back, guys and traders, ladies and gentlemen, to the third day. It's January 18th, and we will start to trade again. So the trader is up and running, synchronized, as we can see here, and we will just open 3 new trades. So let's start with something which has a high daily change. Everything seems to be quite stable. At the end, it doesn't make a big difference, but we want some movement. So let's start here. We will put check if it has been opened here as well. Perfect. So Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Let's try this as well. So we will also put for every trade, we will put a stop loss. First we will put here the same for the other one. Also sell trade. We put and let's open this one. Euro US dollars. Let's work with this one. All right. Let's go on a sell trade. Something doesn't work. We seem to have not enough margin because this balance is already quite low. So we will work with 0.5. Let me quickly update the balance of the demo account, and I will be right back. So after reviewing several hours later, after starting the trades, I decided to close the last one. The first two trades we opened hit the stop loss in the demo account and closed with a nice profit here. And then the last open trade I decided to close and yeah, make it still a profitable day. I also decided to just start 3 new trades and yeah, this is what we will do now. So let's check first if both is up and running. Okay, so let's go here. Let's try something else. For example, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. We will trade as a sell here. Let's just confirm. Okay, got opened here. Then we will do the Canadian dollar and Swiss francs also, and maybe also the Australian dollar, US dollar, US dollar. We will do and yeah. So we have again 3 open trades. Let's put everywhere a stop loss. So we have a buy. We'll do like this is too much. Let's just do it something like this. Then here we need to sell one, so and the last one also. Let's close this. We can easily do here. And yeah, that's it. So let's see later the development of them, and yeah, see you later for the results of day number 3 with SlyFoxTrader. So welcome back. It's the third day of trading and the challenge to trade 1,000 to 1 million. We are trading in euro on a euro account, and yeah, it's January 18th, and today I opened 6 trades in total, and all of them are closed already. As you can see here, we had yeah, the first part I had opened 3 trades, um, which got closed, 2 of them automatically because they hit the stop loss. And as well as on the second part of the day when I opened another 3 trades, as you can see here, 2 of them again hit the stop loss, and one of them, when I was checking it, it was in a profit zone on the live account, so I decided to close the day, close the trade. So yeah, very simple, without any different or additional techniques or anything. We will just stick to our strategy that we will just trade like a complete beginner without really having a clear strategy or indicators or whatever. So as you can see, all this losing trades became with a lot multiplier of 0.2. So as you can see, also the volume here were quite profitable, and the new balance here, as you can see, This we will always rechange to 1,000 euro, always below our live balance. And as you can see here now, the new balance is 1,111.4. And let's put these figures now here for day 3. 1,104, and do now the same here. So we had a profitable day. Very, very good. So this is very nice. I'm very happy, and as you can see, we are now at 1,111.4, and to reach our weekly goal, yeah, we are still around, yeah, almost 50 euros behind. So let's see on the last day, because today is 18th, it's a Thursday, 18th of January, and yes, tomorrow is the last day of the week. So this week will be only 4 days. So let's see where we will end at the end of this week. Take care and see you tomorrow.